To change your profile name on Instagram, begin by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device and tapping on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile. Once on your profile page, tap on Edit Profile, which is located directly under your profile picture. In the name field, delete the current name displayed and type in the new name you'd like to use. After entering your new name, make sure to save the changes by tapping Done if you're using an iPhone, or the check mark if you're on an Android device. Once you tap Done or check mark, your new name will be saved, and your followers will now see the updated name on your Instagram profile. That's it. Your Instagram profile name has successfully been changed and updated. Please like this video, subscribe to Tech Flyer, and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.